All right, Outlaw. I gotta say, isn't it so nice when there's no braking bumps? This guy's a firm turning machine now too, it's fantastic. So Outlaw has a bunch of new little features, including a little gap jump. Oh, Danny's turning it, yeah. Get a little pedal speed on that so you get up this. And I take high line up here, not that it matters, but. Yeah. There we go, this is the all new Outlaw section. Little step down, fantastic. Right here, another step down. Little gap right here, nothing to it. Oh yeah. Little step down, big old tail. Woo! Got a nice little turn on that. Oh yeah. You're good, you're good. There's one more coming behind. Oh, nice line. Oh, that was actually really nice. Yeah. All right, made it to Tempest. A little bit of a drop, ready to start. Nice squirrel catcher. Don't need a lot of speed, it's really smooth. Hell yeah. And a nice little drop again. Not a lot of speed. Yeah. And then there's a rock drop here. I believe the line is the nub. There's a little nub right here. Yeah. Another table. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Sent that one deep. And now we're going to come up to the Anthem drop. We're going to give Danny a little bit of space here. Couple little pedal strokes. Oh, so smooth. Yeah. Nice, Danny. That was my smoothest one. Yup. Hell yeah. Really a question of how much can you let off the brakes, how much do you trust it? Oh yeah. Tell you what, the tires are gripping it. Oh, that was a little bumpy. All right, come on, Sage. Yeah. There we go. Oh, it's nice following Danny. He puts down the right speed, good lines. Here we go, Lower Tempest. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, I love the high. Yes. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Nice, Danny. Oh. Man, ready position, right? And then this merges into Greenhorn, which is going to take us down to Indy. Probably my favorite. Woo! My favorite way down at this point. Oh yeah. So Danny's been working on his turning. So in the past I've had to give him a space, but not anymore. All right, looks like we're clear. Get enough speed to get into this first table. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Nice, Danny. my man. On rails. Yeah. Oh, he's feeling it. He is feeling it, folks. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Oh. Woo. And there you go. Outlaw, Tempest Greenhorn, Indy. Yo, nice job, man.